Good morning. Good morning. So what is the plan today, Captain?
To Titusville, Florida, just over 20 miles, about 2 hours and 40 minutes or so to get there.
Titusville.
Hi, we're Mark and Mel. After raising 4 amazing daughters who are now raising our 12 grandchildren and helping people on land in the real estate business for over 30 years, we're now realizing our goal of a year-long adventure cruising America's Great Loop on our boat Paradise. This is a 6,000-mile journey through waterways that include the Atlantic and Gulf Intercoastal Waterways, Great Lakes, Canadian Heritage Canals, and inland rivers of America's Midwest cities. Join us as we navigate over 100 locks, explore cities large and small, and experience an unforgettable journey through America's Great Loop.
Goodbye, Cocoa Village and Cocoa Beach. That was a super nice day. Really nice little village. We loved that. You can see the pendant there on the mooring ball, and we're on 01. It was really easy because of that pendant, that floating pendant there was real easy, and it's because it's really calm out right now too, no current or anything, so got all tied up quick and easy. And now we're going to go into the marina and Titusville Marina and check in. Take a look around town. We had some dolphins welcome us, and it looks like a bird too.
Decided to ride a little over 3 miles to a park up from the marina here in Titusville, and Google Maps directed us to go along Highway 1, and we realized the reason it did that is because there's this really nice bike path. So in amongst the trees, a little shade here and there, and the busy highway's right over there, so we don't have to mess with it. Nice ride.
colors on these spring flowers. They're like yellow and purple. And here's some red ones. Oh my gosh. We're gonna go up this tower. There's all kinds of spring flowers coming up. And we're gonna see what we can see up there.
We found us a tower, and we're going to go up there.
How many steps?
61.
Oh my word. Oh my goodness. But how pretty is that?
Here's the view from the top of that tower. Those buildings there are center of Titusville. I don't remember the name of this park. We'll figure it out. That is the NASA Railway Bridge right there. We'll be going through that when we leave here day after tomorrow.
Wow.
We heard him grunt when we came through the roof.
Did you?
Yeah,
He grunted?
yeah.
I didn't know they even grunt. That's,
Yeah, the middle ones do.
wow.
Here they come. Ready?
That's the bigger one.
So cool.
I think the bigger one knew he had an audience.
I know.
Looking all the way.
He was looking the whole way, yeah. That's so cool.
He'd be hungry. Don't get fat. Here's a growing baby.
So cute. They're amazing. Well, the wind picked up quite a bit. And we got to go back in that. So there's a lot of fetch coming towards the land, and we are headed out there into it.
We are on a mooring ball, and it is windy. We have got 2-foot waves right here in the mooring field, and some whitecaps out there. Let's see if you can see it out there. It is really rough. Not terribly uncomfortable, just a lot of motion in the boat. We were planning to leave today originally, but I think we're going to stay put because this wind is going to continue on and even get a little worse going into the late morning and early afternoon. Here's what it looks like out there. Rocking and rolling. And we've got 2-foot waves and whitecaps. Woohoo! Rocking and rolling. There's even somebody over here. It's hard to see out there. Maybe I can zoom in. They're on their dinghy. Looks like they're coming back from the marina to their boat. In fact, it's that little speck right there. You might be able to see. Do not envy that person.